Established in 1890, the D.S. Brown Company has built a rich legacy of providing high-quality solutions for transportation infrastructure challenges. D.S. Brown is proud to be a market leader in the design and manufacturing of bridge components for critical infrastructure projects around the world. At its beginning, D.S. Brown specialized in crafting horse collars for wagons and plows. As the automotive industry emerged, the company transitioned its leather and rubber expertise toward manufacturing components for cars. In the 1960s, D.S. Brown transitioned from the automotive industry to infrastructure products, utilizing steel and rubber. Throughout its history, D.S. Brown has been synonymous with innovation in construction. Its patented technologies and products are now standards in worldwide bridge, highway, airfield, offshore, architectural, and telecommunications construction industries. D.S. Brown is unique in its vertical integration, encompassing everything from rubber compounding, mixing and molding, to steel fabrication and machining. This approach enables superior quality, fosters innovation, and allows for the widest range of custom bridge components available in the industry. At its core, our experienced employees are the company, embodying our values and driving our success with a common mission to deliver innovative infrastructure solutions that help connect the world, drive commerce, and create a prosperous society. We offer a comprehensive range of products tailored to meet the diverse needs of infrastructure projects. Our bridge expansion joint systems offer flexibility and durability, accommodating thermal movements while safeguarding substructures from water and debris, ensuring long-term performance. Additionally, D.S. Brown specializes in bridge bearings, which support the weight and movement of bridges, enhancing their safety and longevity. We provide a range of pavement products crafted to protect and repair concrete surfaces, effectively extending pavement lifespan and minimizing maintenance expenses. D.S. Brown's waterproofing solutions safeguard bridge cables and decks from corrosion and cracking, eliminating the necessity for expensive maintenance repairs in the future. With a focus on quality and reliability, D.S. Brown products are trusted by engineers and contractors worldwide to deliver superior performance and value in infrastructure projects. By utilizing D.S. Brown engineered components, you can guarantee that your infrastructure projects are constructed to withstand the test of time. The D.S. Brown Company, bridging the world with leading infrastructure solutions. Join us on our journey to redefine what is possible. Learn more today at dsbrown.com.